Paggara.
Mama? Money.
The
The gear
grid.
grid to
Mm. Children.
children. We
Where?
were uh, langgam bulan. Langgam bulan.
Happy.
Happy.
They
Day. Langgam. Where?
oh,
Ala, na po langgam. They're
telling
telling
stories
stories of
about themselves.
themselves.
Mm. Ang pagbasa ana no. It was first day of classes. Unong ka kanay tuldok. The grade 2 children were happy. They were telling stories about themselves. Oh. Natin na pod. I
I ig
at
at
it ba nga kuan kanang number 8. 8 years old.
8 years old. My
Father
father has
is
is a
teacher.
teacher.
Edna said.
Edna
Edna
said I atong sila kana
live
live and to
Tondo.
Tondo. I am
Also
also a
8,
8 years old.
Lucita said.
Rosita said, my
Mother
mother ay dalang gibasa oh. Mama.
vendor.
Vendor. When
My
my father
father
is a nurse
is a driver.
driver. I in
9
9
years old.
years old.
Nagpalit-palit mo kag kuan. Juice. Rolando said.
Rolando said,
Balik ka. Para mahanas. It was first day of classes. The grade 2 children were happy. They were telling stories about themselves. I am 8 years old. My father is a teacher, Edna said. I live in Tondo. I am also 8 years old, Lucetta said. My mother is a vendor. My father is a driver. I am 9 years old, Rolando said. Dili ipaganid ta na para nga kuan. What grade were the children in? Grade 1, grade 2, grade 4.
Grade 2.
Whose father was a driver? Edna, Lucita, Rolando.
Rolando.
Very good. Who live in Tondo? Edna, Lucita, Rolando.
Rosita.
Very good. Who was not 8 years old? Edna, Lucita, Rolando.
Rolando.
Oh, very good. What was Edna's father? A driver, a doctor, a teacher.
Teacher.
Very good. Dire na ta. Darius Pitt. Darius
Darius.
Pitt.
Pete.
Oh.
Darius feet.
Oh.
Darius feet.
Kini, unsa ni? Dario.
Darius.
Dario
Dario feet
was
was alone
alone.
alone and
His
his
room.
room
Room.
room
Na may tuldok. Room.
room. He was there
Drawing.
drawing has
His
his pet dog.
mm,
His dog with
was
was so
quiet
quiet. Gatong gisulat kan
while
balik naman. He
was
was drawing it. Jesus. Draw,
drawing it.
drawing it. Draw,
Dario.
Dario,
Dario.
Dario, col, card,
Colored
colored the pic to
picture.
picture
Picture.
picture the door
Brown.
brown at
And
and ayat
ayaw
bara
nyo.
while
He wrote
he wrote a Ito.
Kinatulong si Jasper. Story.
story o
Under.
under it
Mm.
I
It. Good na siya.
it it is it I
It is
it is
like
like
nam na sa cellphone. Like and share. Like,
Like.
comment, and share. Kini.
like
This.
this.
Ano pa ba? Dario was alone in his room. He was drawing his pet dog. His dog was quiet while he was drawing it. Dario colored the picture brown and white. He wrote a story under it. It is like this. This
This is my pa
pet.
pit.
His
His
name
name
is
is
Spotty.
Spotty.
He
He
is
is
my
my
playmate.
playmate.
I love
I love
Spotty.
Spotty.
What was Dario doing? Playing, sleeping, drawing.
Drawing
Very good. What was Dario's pet? A cat, a pig, a dog.
a dog.
What did Dario call his pet? Spotty, Brownie, Doggy. Unsa day pangalan sa iyang dog? Unsa iyang ginatawag? Spotty, Brownie, Doggy.
Spotty.
Very good. What did Dario write under his drawing? A story, a poem, a paragraph. Unsa iyang kuan? Unsa iyang What did Dario write? Unsa iyang gisulat under his drawing? A story, a poem, a paragraph.
Story.
Very good. Who was Dario's playmate? His dog, his sister, his brother.
His dog.
Very good. There's that. Going to market. One Saturday morning, ay, ikaw na din magbasa, anak. Sige. One
One sa third
day.
day
One Saturday
One Saturday
morning,
morning,
Juicy
Juicy
went
went to ma mar
to market
went to market
with
with her ma mat
mother.
mother.
She
She saw
saw,
so
kanang nakita niya, she saw
saw my
many
many
kinds
kinds of fish,
Mm. So na, vegetables,
vegetable
balls,
balls, and
and
mana
sulat diha, fruits.
fruits
Mother
mother
bought
both
tomatoes,
tomatoes, my
mangoes,
mangoes, pig,
chai,
chai,
and
and
eggplant.
eggplant.
Well,
Will you not
not buy
buy
ayaw nyo meat
meat
and
and fat
fish. Mother
Mother
Josie
Juicy
asked.
as
No,
no
Josie meat
meat
and
and
fish
fish
cost much. I will
will
buy
buy
mango
mango
and
and
eggs instead, mother said. Ana ang pagbasa o. Going to market. One Saturday morning, hunong ka kanay kama, Josie went to market with her mother. She saw many kinds of fish, vegetables, and fruits. Mother bought tomatoes, mangoes, peaches, and eggplant. Will you not buy meat and fish, mother? Josie said. No, Josie, meat and fish cost much. I will buy mango and eggs instead, mother said. Ambi nabi, where did Josie go? Where did Josie go? Kuyo, ragunyot. To school, to market, to church.
to market.
What time of the day was it? A night, a morning, a afternoon?
Morning.
Very good. Which of these did Josie not see in the market? Fish, chickens, vegetables.
Chicken.
Which of these did mother buy? Rice, corn, mango.
Mango.
Which of these did mother not buy? Meat, pichay, or tomatoes? Very good. Puyo nyot. Natulog yung mga dinat dito. Ana atong style. Inig-abot, may eskwela ka no. Inig-abot nimo magbasa.
Tapos
Inig mo magpanihapon, magbasa, usa matulog. English, tirada ato ang basahon.
wala ba English?
Mao gyud ni English. Nya dara ang Pilipino oh. Pang grade 5 ni nga Pilipino. Oh.
Kaya
Sige daw, basaha daw.
bubalo.
Na Pilipino man na. Diri ra na permente sa tong kwarto. Puyo na nyot, higda na diha nyot. Kabasa-basa